Ouided Bougrine looks proudly over the fields of fig trees surrounding her native village of Kesra in Tunisia. Nestled in the hills outside Tunis, Kesra is known countrywide for the quality of its figs. Ouided, a young hydraulics engineer, was part of a pilot project run by the International Labour Organization to install a vast irrigation system. 1,700 meters of canals, 20 holding tanks, and a series of micro-dams bring water to an area covering 20 hectares. The project has increased crop yields considerably for 100 local farmers.
After graduating, I was unemployed. Then, in August 2013, I contacted the project team. I took part in meetings with the farmers about their needs before the project started. Then, I did a feasibility study as part of the technical study of the system, and lastly, I monitored the work.
Mohamed Ali Bargassam was also unemployed after graduating in food sciences. He returned to the village and, thanks to the irrigation system, was able to plant 100 fig trees on his family's land. It will take the new trees about 3 years to mature. In the meantime, he has also planted vegetables and hopes to employ several farm workers.
One of the problems I had was water. Lots of water was lost. Since the system's installation, we've lost less water. I've planted almost 50 varieties of figs that will be sold to make jam. The ILO program provided equipment to turn the region's figs and other fruit into value-added products like jam. It gave technical training and certification to 20 women who formed an association. The products sold successfully and generated revenues that were plowed back into production. Taliba Hanna, a young mother of 2 with a diploma in documentation, had never before had a job. Today she is earning a real wage thanks to her work.
We were trained in jam making. Then we received training in management and accounting. With what I've learned, I can either develop my own business or stay with the association. This has given value to our work and allowed us to assert ourselves in society.
Kesra's jams were a hit at an international fair in Tunis. Every weekend, the women set up a stand and sell their products in the village's historic center, which is a popular destination for tourists. Thanks to the new irrigation system and better managed water resources, Kesra is producing more and more fruit. No one could be happier than the villagers and Ouided, who plans to use what she learned to replicate the system in other agricultural areas in the region.